some time, but I think it's ready to pop. Okay, fine, pop. Let's get the box ready. Okay, fine. Oh, 6. Okay, there. And what else? What else? There. Why can I not use them? Hey, I'm trying to use them. I'm trying to use them. Hello? Oh, I need 5. Okay, I got 5. Maybe do some speed potions. There. Now the watch ready. Only use 1. Now, let's see if I'm missing anything. Oh yeah, a clover. And the rune of everything, which will solve the case. Well, actually, rune of everything is only 5 minutes, so we have to quick this one. I hope this ends well. Because last time was like a fail. And I kinda just, you know, I lost Atlas and stuff, so I hope this time I get something good. Where's the clover? Do I even need a clover? At this point, do I even need a clover? I really do need maximum luck, so like, I think I'm just wasting time here, aren't I? Because like, I'm trying to pop, but like, I also need clover. Do I do it without clover? With or without? Because like, that's 5 minutes and stuff, and I really need that. Clover. I need a clover. Where's the clovers? Where are the clovers? If I was a clover, where would I be? Maybe I'd be under a tree or here. There we go. Now let's apply a rune of everything. Okay. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, yes, Atlas! I got Atlas again. That's my dream aura. Yes, I got Atlas again. Oh my god. Yes! I never thought I'd see this again. I never thought I'd see this again. Oh my god. Okay, wait, my heart is shaking. I never thought I'd see Atlas again. Innovator! Yes. I never got innovator. Okay. You're doing good so far. Matrix, okay, Matrix. Okay, it's not. Maybe it's Apex, isn't it? Yes, I needed Apex. Oh my god, this is going good for me. Okay. Just like the auras that I got. Got another Arcane Dark. Dude, another. Am I getting cooked? No. Guys, I'm getting cooked. Yeah, this is the end for me. Star Scourge. No way. Star Scourge Radiant. Ran out. Okay, that's fine. What we did cook though was Atlas, my favorite aura, and we got 2 Star Scourge Radiants actually. I didn't get my Impeached back, but that's very nice because like I finally did cook some globals, and guess what? I cooked Innovator, which is very nice. I'm a really big fan of Innovator. I never actually got to like okay. Well, that is all for now for me, cause now I will craft more stuff in the future. And I also have 2 transcendent potions, so maybe I will cook with that in the future. Well, okay. That is all for now. Bye. Yeah.